Connecting the power to an empty tank, or dry firing, is one of the biggest reasons why electric storage tanks fail. Check out our video to see how much damage this actually does to the element. The element is so hot it begins to glow and has now reached a temperature of over 130 degrees Celsius. The element is now damaged beyond repair and will have to be replaced. Dry firing also damages the insulation around the heating element, which may cause water leaks. The temperature inside the tank has become so hot that the polypropylene dip tubes are starting to melt, and the element has annealed itself, turning back into soft copper. The dip tubes are now completely melted shut, making it impossible for any water to enter or exit the unit. Typical indicators of a tank that's been dry fired are low or no flow rate and constant tripping of the circuit breaker. The final temperature reading is close to 800 degrees Celsius. All this damage has occurred in under 3 minutes. Problems from dry firing aren't always immediately observable. Sometimes the tank may last up to a year before faults are observed. This is why it's so important to fill the tank before connecting the power source.